So last time I did a video on my favorite learning strategies, and this time I'm going to do a video of my favorite resources. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that whatever is on the main resources are my favorite resources. So for science, you will often find note catchers there. You'll find an actual presentation that matches the PFA and a whole web series, especially if you're in 7th grade science in my class. We've made sure that we added that to all of them. Anything that's in here is going to be like the most important things you need to know. And if you find one of my web series, that means I've recorded the videos you needed for that subject, everything you needed to know. So, I mean, that is the go-to resource in my opinion. You know, I'm biased because I recorded the videos myself. But anyways, I really do like those resources because I've made them tailored to the questions of the test. So it really will make you likely to pass them. But without those resources, I do tend to prefer video because it's kind of like having a teacher, and a lot of them are very visual. And the cool thing about video is that you can pause, you can rewind, you can even slow down the video if it's too slow, or speed it up if it's too, slow down if it's too fast, or speed it up if it's too slow within the YouTube. So that is typically my favorite resource. My second favorite resource are checks for understanding or Kahoots. And a lot of the focus areas will have that, where you can actually quiz yourself on the objectives to know that if you're ready to go. So those are the ones I would point out for content assessments which are not math-based. For math-based ones, what you will find, and again, is there are main resources on the top. And again, there was workshop videos. If you see ones recorded by me, you can guaranteed that they were created for the kinds of questions you will see in the test. And so I strongly recommend that that's the case. But that only applies to 7th grade because that's all I've done so far at the time this video was recorded. Maybe on the day in the future, I will do the other grade levels in the middle school as well. But aside from those, I would strongly recommend that you use Khan Academy videos paired up with the Khan Academy practices. And because the practices on Khan Academy, when you actually do bad, it will let you do it again and then give you different problems. And so that way you keep practicing. And when you get something wrong, you can click on a button that explains why you got it wrong and give you hints on how to get better, which include videos and resources. It is the best interactive way to learn math, in my opinion, Khan Academy. So, and within the unit, they have multiple practices, multiple videos, multiple quizzes that you can use to practice yourself. Second to that, I would say the work that we do already in class in IXL is strongly recommended also to help you master the content. And other than that, some paper resources sometimes are good. So a lot of kids like to do the math on paper. So asking your teacher for a paper handout or for a printout is also a great idea. So there you go. I talked about some of my favorite resources for each of the power focus area types. And I hope you found this helpful. And I'll see you on the next video.